In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset changes to default on selected elements in Webflow. Navigating the world of Webflow and maintaining clean designs can sometimes feel a bit tricky, but don't worry, resetting elements to their default settings is a breeze once you know how to do it. So let's dive right in and simplify the process for you. First, let's find the element you want to reset. In Webflow, it's important to make sure you've accurately selected the element that isn't looking quite like you'd want, and that currently reflects custom styles you've applied. This step sets the stage for ensuring any modifications are applied to the correct content. Once you've got the right elements selected, be sure to look over at the panel on the right-hand side of your screen. In this panel, you'll focus on the Styles panel. The Styles panel is a go-to spot for understanding which of your stylish touches have been applied, and more importantly, which can be reverted. In this Styles panel, take note of any setting names that are highlighted in blue. This visual cue indicates that a specific set of changes has been made to these styles, differentiating them from the default settings that are initially provided by Webflow. It's a simple yet highly effective way to visually track what's been tweaked, modified, or experimented on. Now, onto the main task at hand, resetting. Once you find these blue highlighted settings, the next step is incredibly straightforward. Simply click on those settings to open their options, and you'll see an option to reset them. Clicking Reset is your direct line to revert any individual style property back to its default state. But wait! There's a quicker way to manage these resets with a little keyboard shortcut. By holding down the Alt key while you click on the highlighted setting names, you can swiftly reset them as well. This nifty trick can expedite the process, especially when working through multiple elements or dealing with several changes you'd like undone. And that, my friend, is all there is to it. Once you reset these settings, your selected element will return to its pristine, untarnished form, just as it was when first created in Webflow. Employing this reset technique not only helps keep your designs neat and organized, but also enhances your workflow efficiency, allowing you to focus more on crafting beautiful web pages. Thank you for following along with me today. I hope this tutorial has empowered you with a better understanding of managing styles within Webflow and how to return specific elements to their default settings with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Webflow tips and tricks. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.